In this tutorial we will be going over how to use the collectible system. So first of all, it's located in the project folder underneath prefabs, under subfolder prototype prefabs. The first thing we need is our counter, which is our UI counter, so we'll drag this prefab in there. And if we scroll all the way out, you'll see this UI up here for the pocket watch diamond and wood sheets is what I call these, whatever. There's paper cards. So we'll go back to our player here. Okay, so we have our UI counter in there. Now we need collectibles. So here's our single smash cube. And then we'll position this on our player field. So I'm holding V to snap to our player, and then I just lower it to the ground. And then we need our multi-smash cube as well. Okay, it's a little off. So this multi-smash will take 5 hits to complete. This one will take 1 hit to complete. And inside are collectibles. So let's play and see how this works. Due to the aspect ratio of this smaller screen compared to my other screen, the UI will be slightly offset, but we'll still be able to see it. Okay, so when we start, the UI is hidden. When we go up to one of these boxes and we smash it, the collectibles are revealed. Every time we go over one of the collectibles, it'll go up to the UI and then tell you how much of that collectible you currently have. So that updated to 1 for the sheets, 1 for the diamond, and 1 for the pocket watch. So if we go back over here and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now we'll have 2 pocket watches and 2 diamonds and 2 sheets. So that's great for telling the player how many collectibles you have, but how do you use those collectible values for events? So let's look at our UI counter here, and it has a FSM called UI crafting counter. It's very, very simple. Every time a collectible is triggered, it adds itself. It adds a 1 value to an integer, which is, if we look at here, we have 3 variable integers, and they're global so that they can be accessed from everywhere. So we have collectible 1, 2, and 3. If we look under this UI counter, we have the pocket watch, the diamond, and the sheets or cards. So collectible 1 is the pocket watch, 2 is the diamonds, and 3 are the sheets. So you can say, for instance, an example would be that you need to collect 5 diamonds to get past a certain barrier or have something happen. So you have an FSM that compares collectible 2 to an integer of 5, and once those 2 are equal, then open the door or do the event. In this instance, we just are checking the integer. We're converting it to a string value so that we can display it in the text. We're setting that text to our sprite, and then we're just ramping up those alphas so it's displayed. It waits a couple seconds so the player can see it, and then it goes back to fading it out. So hopefully this allows you to set up some interesting collectible events, and if you have any questions, let me know.